Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enter big screen in Steam. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the application. Now let's simply look at how to enter the big screen. At the top left, right next to Steam, you will see a button like this called as View. Click on it right now. Now once you do, there will be lots of options ranging from library to simply screenshots. Right now, all we want to do is focus on this thing called as Big Picture Mode. Click on it right now. And guys, that is it. As soon as you click on it, Steam will open in the Big Picture Mode. That is it, guys. That is how you enter Big Picture Mode in Steam. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.